Hi everybody, it's Julie with Obesity Is Not Me, and I am about to call the Daily Healthy Vending Machine right now because I want to ask them for some healthy vending options in my machine here in my apartment complex. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got. Does it click out? Hi, is this the Healthy Vending Machine? Okay, hi, my name is Julie, and I am in the complex, an apartment complex, and we have your machine there, and I just wanted to request some healthy food for that vending machine, because there isn't any healthy alternatives in there. Is this where I would call for that? Okay. Yes, I am. Okay. Okay. Well, I just think it's ironic, you know, that it has 3 Cokes and 3 Pepsis. Yeah. It doesn't sound right. I just think it's funny that it's a healthy machine, and I actually run a channel, a weight loss channel, and I do a lot of fasting, so I often go in there to get my coffee, so I see all the unhealthy things, and I just like I want to encourage people to eat better, so I'm on that side of it. Yeah, a Monster drink, okay. Well, all right. Well, I just wanted to let you know I'm putting my request in for something healthy into that vending machine, okay? Because I'm just sad about that. Oh, I think your cell phone's going out. So thank you so much. All right, thank you. Bye. And their cell phone went out. So he got my request. I mean, I don't know what else I can do in this day and age. It's pretty scary, to tell you the truth. Like I said, it's the norm. It's the norm that we just accept the fact that these things just don't tell us the truth. And whatever. I always find I'm never nasty to people, and I always find people are just doing their jobs and stuff. And he was really nice, and he's like, things expired and stuff. I didn't put him on the phone. I don't want to put him on the spot, but I just wanted to prove that some people do really want healthy food, but it was a cell phone, so it kind of blanked out. So I'm not calling him back, but I just wanted to kind of see where that went. Yeah, it wasn't really even a company. I think they're individually owned. When I go on their website, they have a whole thing here that says, you can become an investment for $30,000 to $225,000. So when I go to their website, so it probably isn't an individual thing and preference, but I just want them to be aware. I know they don't have any healthy snacks. Anyway, that's it. All right, have a good day, everybody. See you tomorrow.